So in programming, you often change your mind. And what if you wanna do costume number 2 at poo and costume number 1 at ts? At this point, we have several occurrences of these items. So we would need to go here to change it, go to costume 2, here to change to costume 1, and all the way down to every element. Whoa! To change it, change it, change it, and this is okay. So this, so far, it's not that big of a deal because we don't have that much sounds one after another. But imagine that we have 1,000, then it would be a nightmare to go through all of them and change them one by one. So let's see what we have for a solution. We have something like blocks. So if we define a block, let's say like play poo and hit the OK, we have the definition of play poo. The definition of play poo will be, we're gonna duplicate whatever we have under the Q button, and we just defined our first block, which is play poo. What we can do now, we can remove these two elements and replace them with the play poo. And check it out, I'm pressing the Q and I'm still getting the sound effect with the costume change. So what happened here? Whenever I'm inserting the play poo, then this block is getting executed. We just grouped commands together and use one verbose command to do the job. So now what we can do is replace all the occurrences of the play poo, and from here on we don't need to use two commands, but we can deal with one command and that will do the job. So let's see the play poo replaced here. Let's remove this, and as we can see, if we press the play, whoa, we have the same result. That's awesome. So now at this point, if I want to change the anything, then both of the occurrences will be immediately changed because they don't have the logic of what's happening. The logic is separated, and they are only telling that I want to play the poo, and it is defined at only at one place here, where you can do whatever you want, and every block that has the play poo, that will follow this code, this single code, single occurrence. This way you will not have duplications, and this is how you clean your code. So let's do the same thing with the tss. Make a block, play tss. All right, we immediately get the defined plates. Then we can right click, make duplicate, and drag under it, and now we can start to replace every occurrence of the tss. Replace it here, replace it here, replace it, oh, no, we just replace it. Alright, let's drag and drop, replace, yes, get rid of this one, replace it here, drag and drop, oops, yes. Ooh, much cleaner. See? It's way more, you can see through the code what's happening. So now if we play, whoa, we get the same effect and a more relieving view of an overview of what's happening. So at this point, if you want to change the costumes, you will just do it one time, two times, and all of the occurrences of the ends will be changed. Let's check it out. Whoa! All right, exercise for you. Please create a block for the wow.